Benefits of orange. Rich in vitamin C. Oranges are an excellent source of vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and helps the body fight infections like colds and flu. Improves skin health. Vitamin C and antioxidants in oranges help produce collagen, keeping the skin healthy, fresh, and glowing. Good for digestion. Oranges contain dietary fiber that improves digestion, prevents constipation, and supports gut health. Boosts heart health. Potassium and flavonoids in oranges help control blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Increases energy naturally. Natural sugars and vitamins provide quick energy without harmful fats. Supports weight loss. Oranges are low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full for longer. Improves iron absorption. Vitamin C in oranges helps the body absorb iron better, reducing the risk of anemia. Disadvantages of orange. Can cause acidity. Eating too many oranges may increase stomach acid, causing heartburn or stomach pain. May trigger allergies. Some people are allergic to citrus fruits and may experience itching, rashes, or swelling. Blood sugar increase. Orange juice, especially in excess, can raise blood sugar levels quickly. Tooth enamel damage. The acidic nature of oranges can weaken tooth enamel if consumed too often. Not suitable for sensitive stomachs. People with gastritis or acid reflux may feel discomfort after eating oranges.